Today we discuss on a topic boat and stream. Now we see the examples here. Examples on boat and stream. Examples on boat and stream. See example here. A man takes 3 hours 45 minutes to row a boat 15 km downstream. A man can takes 3 hours 45 minutes to row a boat 15 km downstream of the river and 2 hours 30 minutes to cover a distance of 5 km upstream. Find the speed of the river current river current in kilometer per hour. Now here firstly boat goes downstream. Here downstream. Then boat goes 15 km downstream. Here distance is 15 km. Time required, time is to cover that 15 km is 3 hours 45 minutes. That is 3 hours 45 minutes means 40 upon 60 hours. That is 15 by 4 hours. 15 by 4 hours. Then your speed is downstream speed. Here downstream speed. Here we write downstream speed. Downstream speed is equal to 50 upon 15 by 4. That is 15 into 4 upon 15. That is 4 hours. Then downstream speed is 4. Now here downstream speed of boat is 4 km per hour is 4 km per hour. Per hour. Then we find upstream speed. Here we find upstream speed. Then upstream speed is equal to upstream speed is equal to, now here upstream distance cover upstream 5 km and time required to cover that 5 km is 2 hours 30 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes. 30 minutes means half hour. That is 5 by 2 hours. That is 5 by 2 hours. 5 by 2 hours. Now here we find the upstream speed. Then 5 upon 5 by 2. 5 upon 5 by 2. Then here we write 5 into 2 by 5. 5 get cancelled. That is 2 km per hour. Then speed of upstream speed is 2 km per hour. Then speed of boat upstream or upstream speed is 2 km per hour. Upstream speed is 2 km per hour. Now here we find the speed of river or speed of current. Now here we speed of current, we know the formula speed of current or speed of river. Or a river is equal to subtraction of these two speed, downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Downstream speed minus upstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Now your downstream speed is 4, upstream speed is 2, divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour. Then speed of boat is 1 kilometer per hour. Speed of boat is speed of current is 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour. Now next, 1 kilometer per hour. A boat covers 1 kilometer downstream in 10 minutes and 4 kilometer upstream in 1 hour. What is the speed of the current? What is the speed of the current? A boat covers 1 kilometer downstream in 10 minutes. Then downstream speed of a boat is distance upon downstream distance is downstream distance cover is 1 kilometer upon it covers in 10 minutes. 10 minutes means how many hours? 10 minutes mean 10 by 60 hour, that is 1 by 6 hour. 10 minutes means 1 by 6. Then 1 upon 1 by 6, that is 6 kilometer per hour. That is 6 kilometer per hour. Your downstream speed is 6 kilometer per hour. Now here we find the upstream speed. Your upstream speed is, now here 4 kilometer upstream in 1 hour, that is 4 upon 1, that is 4 kilometer per hour. Upstream speed is 4 kilometer per hour. Now here we find here downstream speed is 6 kilometer per hour. Downstream speed is 6 kilometer per hour. Upstream speed is 4 kilometer per hour. Now here we find the speed of current. Then speed of current is equal to downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Speed of current or river is equal to downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Then your downstream speed is 6, upstream speed is 4. 6 minus 4 divided by 2. 6 minus 4 is 2 divided by 2. Then your speed of current is 1 kilometer per hour. Then your speed of the current is 1 kilometer per hour. This is your answer. Now next. A sailor can row a boat 48 km downstream in 4 hours. 48 km downstream in 4 hours. If the speed of stream is 5 km per hour, if the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, if the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, then how much time will he take to cover distance of 8 km upstream? How much time will he take to cover a distance of 8 km upstream? Now here sailor can row a boat 48 km downstream in 4 hours. Now here firstly we find the downstream speed. Then your downstream speed is equal to boat draw 48 kilometer downstream in 4 hours. That is 48 divided by 4. Your downstream speed is 12 kilometer per hour. 12 kilometer per hour. Your downstream speed is 12 kilometer per hour. 12 kilometer per hour. If the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, if the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, then how much time will he take to cover a distance of 8 km? Will he take to cover a distance of 8 km upstream? Now here we find the upstream speed. Now here downstream speed, then speed of boat in still water, speed of boat in still water, and here upstream speed. Now here the difference between these two speed is speed is 5 and difference between these two speed is 5. Now here downstream speed is always greater than speed of boat in still water, and speed of boat in still water is always greater than speed upstream speed. Now here the difference between these two speed is 5, means the gap between these two speed is 5. Gap between these two speed is 5. Now here firstly downstream speed. Your downstream speed is 12. Your downstream speed is 12. Then your speed of boat in still water is 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. And speed of boat upstream. Speed of boat upstream is 7 minus 5 is 2. Then your upstream speed of boat or upstream speed is 2. Upstream speed is 2. Now here we find time will he take to cover distance of 8 km upstream. Then time required to cover, here we find time required to cover 8 km upstream. Time required to cover 8 km upstream is equal to distance upon speed, upstream speed. Then your upstream speed is 2. Then 8 upon 2, that is 4. 4 hours. Then time required to cover 8 km upstream is, your answer is 4. Your answer is 4. Now next. A sailor can draw a boat 65 km downstream in 5 hours. A sailor can draw a boat 65 km downstream in 5 hours if the speed of stream is 3 km per hour. If the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour, then how much time will he take to cover a distance of 28 km upstream? How much time will he take to cover a distance of 28 km upstream? Now here a sailor can row about 65 km in 5 hours. Then we find the downstream speed. Then downstream speed of boat downstream speed of boat is 65 upon 5, that is 30. 65 upon 5 is 30 kilometer per hour. 30 kilometer per hour. This is your downstream speed. Now here we know the relation between downstream speed of boat in still water, and upstream speed. Now here downstream speed is always greater than downstream speed. Downstream speed is always greater than speed of boat in still water. Speed of boat in still water. Speed of boat in still water. And speed of boat in still water is always greater than speed of boat upstream. Speed of boat upstream. Now here gap between these two speed is speed of your stream. Then your speed of stream is given that 3 km per hour. Then gap between downstream speed and speed of boat in still water is 3 km per hour. Then speed of boat in still water and speed of boat in upstream. Speed of boat upstream. Gap between these two speed is also 3. Now here your downstream speed is 13 km per hour. Your downstream speed is 13 km per hour. Now here we find the speed of boat in still water. Then 13 minus 3 is 10. Now here if speed of boat in still water is 10 km per hour, then we find the speed of boat in boat upstream. Then 10 minus 3 is 7. Now here your speed of boat upstream is 7 km per hour. Speed of boat upstream is 7 km per hour. Speed of boat upstream is equal to 7 km per hour. 7 km per hour. Now here we find the time required to cover 28 km upstream. Time required to cover, here we find the time required to cover 28 km upstream. 28 km upstream. 28 km upstream. 28 km upstream is 28 divided by 7. Distance upon time. Your distance is 28 km and your time is 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. Now here time required to cover 28 km upstream is 4 hours. Is 4 hours. Is 4 hours. Then your answer is 4 hours. Now next. Your speed of boat downstream is 150% more than its speed upstream. 150% more than its speed upstream. If the time taken by the boat going 80 km downstream and 50 km upstream is 8.2 hours. Here is 8.2 hours. Then what is the speed of boat downstream? Then what is the speed of boat downstream? Here, given that the ratio of speed of boat downstream is 150 more than speed of boat upstream. Here downstream speed is more. Is greater than upstream speed. Now here is 150% more than, that is if upstream speed is 100, then downstream speed is 250. Now here ratio is 5:2. That is your downstream speed is 5, upstream speed is 2. Ratio of downstream speed upstream speed is 5:2. That is your downstream speed is 5 and upstream speed is 2. Upstream speed is 2. Now here time taken by the boat going 80 kilometer downstream. 80 kilometer downstream, that is 80 divided by 5x plus 50 kilometer upstream. 50 kilometer upstream, that is 50 upon twice x. Here we get the speed 5x and twice x, 2x. This is 8.2 hours. That is 8.2 means 82 upon 10, 8.2 hours. Now here we solve this equation, then we get the value of x. Then x is the common factor. Here we solve this. Then 5 ones are 5, remain 3, 30, 5 6 are 30. Here 25 2s are 50. Now here we solve. Here 60 upon x plus 25 upon x is equal to 82 upon 10. Now here we get the addition of these two. Then 60 plus 25 is 41. 41 upon x is equal to 82 upon 10. Then here we find the value of x is 41 into 10 upon 82 is equal to x. This is the value of x. Then we find 41 is 40, 42 is 82, 10 upon 2 is 5. Then value of x is 5. Your value of x, here value of x is 5. Value of x is 5. Now here put the value of x. Then here we find downstream speed of boat. Then 5 into 5, 25. That is here 5x means 5 into 5. That is 25. Your answer is 25.